Hi, I'm Brian Duncan from MarineMax, Lyndhurst, New York. On this nice 10-degree day, we've got here to show you the 315 2018 Conquest pilot house. The pilot house has a pair of 300 Verados. These are supercharged Verados. Live well in the back corner. Nice fold-out rear seat. Both port and starboard fold-out seats also. You have a table, cockpit table that sets up inside here. So it gives you a nice social area. You want to hang out and entertain. You can see the door folds nice and easy. It keeps the air conditioning and heat in the pilot house. You have a pull-out grill. A real nice feature. And that will run off the generator. It's electric. Boat is equipped with a generator. Nice easy walk arounds, sand trees on both sides. You can come up both sides. Coming into the pilot house, it's warm. We don't even have the heat on, but you're out of the wind, you're out of the cold. You do have air conditioning and heat, separate unit for the cockpit. So you're not. This has a filler cushion. It will make it a full berth. Having a little table that pulls out. Overhead hatches for fresh air. Nice big windows. Plenty of room for 2 screens. It is a joystick boat. Digital throttle, Mercury throttle, shift. And coming down below. Boat is a 4-sleeper. Here's the filler cushion that was for the cockpit above. The table rises, and then these will pull in and become part of the fill in the V berth. Go over the table, and then when you want to set up the table rises, and you just fold the leaf over. Shower in the head. Vacuum flush head system, and an aft cabin that will sleep 2 people. Everything you need to do it overnight. Stove, refrigerator, microwave, TV, 1-spin cockpit and air. And that pretty much sums it up for the 315 pilot house.